In this video, you'll know how to do the bounds and the player camera for your game. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have your things ready. So let's go to your player node, the player scene here, and we are going to add a camera 2D node to it. And after that, you can find this in the link in the description. You can go ahead and download this thing, or you can use any other texture you want. There's no limit to it. So this is just a simple game here. So now, after you did all of that, just add a new camera to your scene. After you add the camera to your scene, go ahead and change these things. First thing you have to do is click on current. Make sure you click that on, unless it will not work. Next is add some offset. So how am I going to add offset? As you can see, if I add 0 here, it makes it... Oh, okay, wait a sec. Where the heck is that? Where the heck? Come on. Yeah, there you go. Make it 0. As you can see, this is the real one. Okay? This is the real one. Just make it 0. Okay. So as you can see, it's in the middle. Now you can add some offset by using 100 like that. As you can see, it's now a little bit further to the left. And you can add more edge offset by adding this. As you can see, make it much more easier here. We'll be saving this. And you can add smoothing, and you can add smoothing. Click on this and click on the speed. Yes, it's that simple. You don't need to add any code. This thing has the power to do all of the stuff. Okay, let's go to the player scene of ours, the player script, and let's change some of the things. We will be bounding this thing to the screen. So let's learn a little bit here. If you want to learn, go ahead and watch it to the full. So this thing is the bound, just for testing purposes, and this thing is the bound, right? This thing right here is the bound of our screen. We need to get the screen first. So first, let's go and add, let's go add our viewport. So this is called viewport. So we'll add a viewport size. And in the start function, the start already, and we'll say viewport size equals to, we'll say get viewport dot size. Yeah, get viewport dot size. All right, we have now this thing is a vector 2. So you can write this like that. It's exactly the same. Just to define what type of vector it is, what type of value it will be adding. So it must have a vector 2. This is what it means. Now on here, this is just a few lines of code. 1, 2. There's the 3 lines, and you're done. First, we'll check the position. We need to take care of the position. So as you can see, we need to take care of the position here. So we will go position Y. We will make it bound like this, and we can make it bound like this. So what we'll do is we'll say position Y equals to clamp. Clamp function is a function that makes it so that two values, the minimum and the maximum value, cannot be crossed. So we'll say position dot Y, and the minimum value is 0, and the maximum value is viewport size. Oh, sorry, viewport size dot Y. I think it should be size dot Y. No, just Y. There we go. So I think we are done. Yes, you are done. Now let's go and run the code. So make sure I make it like this, and I make it like this. If I run, if I go up, I cannot move to, as you can see, I'm now surrounded by thousands of enemies, and it works amazing. Okay, so this is how you do your player bounding. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.